Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vivek Mathematics Classes. In this video we are going to solve questions based on relation between roots and coefficients.
They have given if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then form an equation whose roots are this thing. Okay. So for this equation roots are alpha and beta, roots are alpha and beta. So from here what can we write relation? Alpha plus beta we can write as minus b by a, and alpha into beta we can write as c by a. So if we need, we will use this. Now next thing what they are asking to find equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 by beta, beta plus 1 by alpha. So for finding any equation, any quadratic equation, what we need? We need sum of roots and product of roots. So in first part we will find sum of roots. What will be your sum of roots? This will be alpha plus 1 by beta plus beta plus 1 by alpha. So this one we can write as alpha plus beta plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta separately. So this value we know. I'll write same thing, alpha plus beta plus, in this if you take LCM you will get alpha beta, and here also alpha plus beta. Now we know everything, we will substitute. What about alpha plus beta? This will be minus b by a plus, what about alpha plus beta again? Minus b by a divided by alpha into beta will be c by a. So a will be cancelled out. So what we will get sum of roots? We will get as minus b by a, and here again minus b by c. So if we simplify this, what we will get? AC will be the LCM. AC will be the LCM. And here minus b, minus bc, and minus eb. This will be your sum of roots. Sum of roots. If you want, you can take minus b common. So what you will get here? A plus c divided by ac. Okay. So next thing what we will do? We will find product of roots. So what will be your product of roots? Product of roots. So this will be alpha plus 1 by beta multiplied by alpha in beta plus 1 by alpha, beta plus 1 by alpha. We will multiply this. So what we will get here? Alpha beta plus alpha into 1 by alpha will be 1 plus beta into 1 by beta will be 1 plus 1 by alpha beta. So this one we can write as 2 plus alpha beta plus 1 by alpha beta. So we will find out 2 plus alpha beta will be what? C by a plus 1 by alpha beta will be a by c. So we can take LCM here. What will be your LCM? LCM will be AC, and here 2AC plus c square plus a square. So this one we can write a plus c the whole square divided by ac. This will be your product of roots. Product of roots. So next what we need to find? We need to find equation. So what will be your equation? X square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta value we are getting as minus times of b into a plus c divided by ac, and this whole multiplied by x, plus alpha into beta we are getting as product of roots we are getting as a plus c whole square divided by ac equal to 0. So what can we do? We can take LCM. What will be your LCM? AC. LCM will be AC. So here we will multiply by AC x square, and this minus minus will be plus b into a plus c x plus a plus c the whole square equal to 0. So from here what will get the equation? We will get AC x square plus b into a plus c, b into a plus c into x, and plus a plus c whole square equal to 0. This will be your quadratic equation formed by the given roots. Second part, they are asking equation for the roots 1 by alpha plus beta, comma 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So here also we will do same thing. First of all, we will find sum of roots. Sum of roots. So what will be your sum of roots? It will be, sum of roots will be 1 by alpha plus beta plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So this thing we know, 1 by alpha plus beta we know. This one will simplify, 1 by alpha plus beta we know. Plus here also if you take LCM, you will get alpha beta, and here alpha plus beta. Now we know everything, we will substitute. So what will be your sum of roots? 1 by alpha plus beta will be minus a by b, and plus this will be minus b by a, and divided by c by a. A will be cancelled out, get as minus a by b and minus b by c. So if you take LCM will be bc. Here you will get minus ac and minus b square. So if you want, you can take minus common. We will get b square plus ac divided by bc. This will be your sum of roots. Sum of roots. Next, what we need to find? We need to find product of roots also. So we will find product of roots here. Okay. So what will be your product of roots? Product of roots. So this will be 1 by alpha plus beta into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. This will multiply. So what we will get here? This one we know, 1 by alpha plus beta we know, and other part we will simplify. So this one here again we will simplify. We are getting alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So this alpha plus beta will be cancelled out. You will get 1 by alpha beta. This will be your product of roots. So this value will be a by c. Now we will find quadratic equation. So what will be your quadratic equation? Formed by the given roots. So that will be x square minus sum of roots. So what we got sum of roots? Minus b square plus ac divided by bc. 1 second, let me check. B square plus AC divided by BC. Yes, BC. Okay. Into x, and plus product of roots, that will be a by c equal to 0. So if you multiply this, you will get x square plus b square plus AC into x divided by BC and plus a by c equal to 0. So what will be your LCM? LCM will be BC. Here it will be multiplied by BC x square plus b square plus AC into x plus, here we have to multiply by b, so you will get AB equal to 0. So what will be your equation? You will get BC x square plus b square plus AC x plus AB equal to 0. This will be your quadratic equation formed by the given roots. Next, so next thing they are asking nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So how to find nature of roots of a quadratic equation? So for finding nature, you have to find discriminant d. So for this equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What will be your discriminant d? Discriminant d will be b square minus 4ac. So nature of the roots will be decided by this d value only, discriminant value. So first thing, if this discriminant b square minus 4ac, first one, if b square minus 4ac is positive, is greater than 0, then what will happen? The roots will be real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. Okay. Second thing, if this b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0, it means what? The roots are real and equal. Third thing, if b square minus 4ac will be less than 0, then what will happen? Roots are imaginary or complex. Roots are imaginary. Imaginary means what? It will be in form of a plus ib form. And fourth one will be, if b square minus 4ac will be greater than or equal to 0. What it means? It means roots are real. It may be equal also or unequal also. So we will say roots are real. So fifth one, if b square minus 4ac is a perfect square. If this value b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, and a, b, c, all these three are rational number. All these three are rational numbers. Then what can we say? Then the roots are also rational. Okay. And sixth one, what can we write? If this will not be perfect square, then the roots will be irrational. Sixth one, if b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square, then what can we say? Roots are irrational. So what is the format of irrational roots? It will be in form of, let's say, p plus root cube and p minus root cube. It will always be in pair. Irrational roots and complex roots always will be in pair. These two roots will be always be in pair.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to motivate me for making many more videos. Please write your views and suggestions in comment section of the video. Thank you once again.